Well, good morning, audience. Girls just finished their breakfast. Was it delicious? Now I think Daddy's running over to the house I'm first, and I think I'm going to run to the deli and drop off some stuff. Except, I think your favorite truck is here. Let's find out.
Thanks for liking and subscribing to Snow Dogs Vlogs.
Who's here? Who's here? Yeah? Who is it? Is that the UPS guy? Is that your favorite brown truck? Yeah? I don't think what's there is for you though, actually. I think it's for your daddy and I. But I'll go find out. Yeah? Favorite brown truck? He's bringing you stuff? Tomorrow, he's bringing you stuff tomorrow because you're getting more dog food tomorrow. So I'm not gonna say that we only bought this because we've been Pokemon hunting so much lately. It's totally not why. We bought it because we go camping so often. Actually, we bought it for both reasons. We bought it because we've been Pokemoning so much lately. Our phones have been dying while we've been out walking around. But we've been wanting to get one of these things because we go camping a lot as well. So we finally have one of these portable charger things. I better plug it in case we go out later. This is the one I got. I'll actually put an affiliate link down in the video description below if you guys want to get this one. I don't have a review on it yet because we haven't used it, but if you're interested to know which one we got, I'll put it down in the video description below. Okay, well the first thing I don't like is it didn't come with its own certified adapter. It came with the plug, I can charge it through my computer, or it says it's the certified adapter. Didn't come with a certified adapter, don't like that. But I can charge 2 devices at once, which is kind of nice, so I'm gonna get it charging. Hey, Mr. Black Squirrel, what are you digging for? What are you, oh, apparently you were hiding food there. All right, see you later. All right, girls, hold down the fort for a little bit. Your daddy and I are gonna go visit, hopefully, and find his dad and his stepmom. They're supposed to be camping not far from here, and we were totally gonna go camping for the night, but it's 90 degrees outside, and they're camping at a rustic park. So that means no power, and she needs this AC that you can hear that is blasting right now. You two seem alright. Oakley, not so much. Oakley gets hot fast. It's because you're so fluffy. Look, we can play horseshoes at the farm now. We haven't seen the farm in a long time. And look at how much it's grown. It's actually grown quite a bit. I got peppers. Mom said there's cayennes growing. Oh yeah, I see a couple. Cayennes and jalapenos. Oh yeah, look! Green tomatoes! There's tomatoes! Check that out. Tomatoes. More tomatoes. So many tomatoes.
Yeah, the steak, I guess.
Horseshoes. I'm gonna hit Jamie's Jeep even though it's way over there. I have not played horseshoes in a long time. I remember how to do these. I used to play all the time when I was little. Oh, I'm awesome!
That was close.
That's not close.
It was straight.
That was same distance.
Not as far. Yep, here's where it goes in the Jeep.
Oh, no, it just slipped out of my hand.
Yeah, one more try.
Gosh, I suck at this game.
Yep, come on.
These are heavy.
All right, get your form.
Bad form. I'm awesome!
I was a little bit closer. Now it's my turn.
You'll probably actually like get one close. No cheating, don't go across that line.
Does that table have glass on the top?
I don't think so. Let's find out.
Right? Nope.
Whoa! Yeah, you're better than me. I think you let go at the right time.
Whoops, that was a little hard. Yeah.
When was the last time you played horseshoes?
Right?
We need to get bocce ball out here.
Right?
Oh, man!
Oh.
That was close. We need practice.
That's fun.
We haven't driven the Jeep.
Wow, are you trained now?
No, actually I'm not. We haven't driven the Jeep around this property yet. You try to talk with all of these bumps. So we're driving the Jeep around the property. It's a pretty view from right here. All along the corner. Jamie decided he wanted to drive. I don't know if this is a good idea.
It was a pretty good lift.
Well, yeah,
Kind of what your Jeep is for, even though there's no trees.
We don't know. Did you right? Is this a good idea? I don't know. You don't know what's down there. Besides those rocks. What's on this side?
More rocks. Probably some swamp.
Should I get out and film you? Here.
Nah, do you want to get up? No, you're good poison ivy. I think.
Oh yeah, I don't want to get out. Look at those pretty yellow flowers. Okay, I got distracted. Back to Jeeping. You are nuts. This is a bad idea. Just know that I have it on camera that this was not my idea.
It's pretty steep, and when I come, I mean, I have a nice bumper on the front to where it's way up, but when I come at when I come at an angle, I don't know, I don't want to, and you don't like going crooked.
You're fine. I'm good. I'm along for the ride. Just don't tip us over.
I think this is the bottom, so there's
Really? You're on the bottom already?
Yeah, our front's coming up.
I don't think you're on the bottom yet. Ah, we're not on the bottom yet.
Now we're on the bottom.
Oh, watch these big rocks. Holy man.
Here we go. Jeeping it. Right over the rock. And you were all painting it. Turn around and see our tracks.
Apparently we're going jeeping at the farm.
Oops, that's neutral.
Oops. Do you think anybody will know we drove there?
I don't know. If nobody comes down to this corner, they might not.
Never know.
Even though now I'm doing circles right around where it went through. Yeah, it's a little muddy on the backside, but
yeah, we made it.
It's a Jeep.
Candy's like, just throw this ball that I have right here. Just throw this ball. This is the ball. You should throw it. You should throw this ball.
Oh, I should
right here.
She won't ever let go of it.
She's never letting go, Jamie.
No, she won't. I mean,
oh!
I'm telling you.
We can't throw it if you don't let it go, honey.
She don't let your hand get behind it either.
Oh, she's like, I'll give it to you.
Dad can have it.
Now catch it. He's gonna throw it to you.
The dog's gonna get
Candy. No, Jamie's gonna shoot it out of the gun. There.
it. See, I got it anyway.
I'm standing on this
You
side.
had to cock it first, or the ball won't come in there. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
10.
Shoot it towards the road that way.
Oh, look, gotta give it a little elevation though.
Alright, we'll try to get it up over the tree.
Over the tree.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wait for the people. Time out.
I'm more worried about the dog running at you.
In her eyes.
Amazing.
Can't be matched. Look at the
Right.
intensity. Hi, Candy. How are you? She's like not looking at you. I'm looking at the ball.
I'm
There's
aiming
the ball.
for this branch.
Oh, he's coming back. Don't shoot it yet.
No, I'm gonna do it
Shoot it
anyway.
straight up, Jamie.
Straight up?
Yeah.
It's gonna, I don't know where it'll go. Alright, we can do that.
Don't shoot it straight up.
Why
Don't,
not?
because it'll go that way.
I'm gonna catch it.
No, you're not gonna catch it. I don't think you're gonna catch it.
Here it goes. Can you video up?
Yeah. Woo! Watch me trip over things.
Right, here I go. Good luck, Candy. Whoa! She's like, I'm on it. Oh, snap.
She's like, it's on the table. How do I get it off the table?
I thought it was gonna roll this way, and I'm like, I'm gonna get it again.
Well, they might be related to them.
I'm watching you.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
You usually get more of it out of the bounce than you do the gun.
Yeah.
Right.
If it hits right.
She's like, oh, something over here smelled kind of good.
But I noticed even like up in Black Lake and everything up that way, that corn that field corn doesn't look real healthy. I mean,
Well, we haven't had a whole lot,
lot of rain. Yeah.
It's been fairly low.
We've been lucky up there. We've been getting enough rain. Shit, I got tomato plants in there about this tall.
There's a fox in the woods right here. There he is. See him? He's coming back out to the road. Look at Jamie. He totally came back out to the road. There he goes. You scared him.
Oh, he's looking for his mama.
No, that's not no little fox.
No?
Mm-mm.
That was so cool.
How cool was that? We finally caught one on camera.
He's gone in the woods.
See you later, Foxy.
I
It's an Eevee. Quick, catch it. How cool.
Leave him be. That was awesome.
That was really cool.
It makes me feel like if I stayed here, he'd come back out.
Right? He might.
Alright, I better leave him alone.
Yeah,
He's
we
probably
better.
got stuff to do.
Check out the moon, you guys. hard to tell with this camera, but it looks absolutely huge over the horizon right now. I believe it's just, so it was full yesterday, wasn't it?
Had to
I
been,
think
yeah.
so.
It looks like it's starting to lose a little octave.
Yeah, definitely looks cool though. Pretty neat.
It's very orange.
Yeah, it is. We made it home! So tomorrow night, we might meet up with them again and actually go camping, depending on the weather. We'll have to check it. And now we're making fried bologna. Because we had bologna yesterday, now we want it fried.
How you do it? Just like this?
That's how I do it. Yeah, just like that. Fry it right up. It'll be delicious. Delicious. What? Did you just now figure out we were playing with Jamie's dad's dog? Did you just figure that out? No, it was me. You were smelling it on me.
You smell candy?
Yep. Do you smell candy? She's like, wait, you played with another dog? How rude. Maybe you'll get to play with her tomorrow. Let's see. So this, I'm not sure what it is, but it's some big Viking ship that came into port. And Jamie and I are out Pokemon hunting, totally not Pokemon hunting. And it was still here, so I thought we would check it out. So there you can see this great big ship with a big old dragon on the front of it. It's definitely pretty cool looking. Alright, we came on the other side so we could get a better picture of the boat. And check it out, we get the moon in the background. So I'll show you guys how my picture turned out right after this. So I just looked on Facebook to find out. This is the name of that boat, the Draken Herald Herefage, and it is the world's largest Viking ship. And it's in Alpena. Apparently it's only here for tonight, and it'll probably be gone by the time we get up in the morning. So I'm really glad we came down here to check it out. There's a really cool picture of it. That's awesome. And we got to see it. What is this? Is this super cold in here? We turned the AC on and cranked it for him when we left because it was a little bit warm. Oakley's like, the best. This is the best. What does that look? That's the, hey, I was totally asleep and you woke me up look. Look at her face. You were probably like laid right down on this side of your face, huh? This is like, what? Or is it going to bed? I'm so confused. It's so nice and cool in here. It feels like winter. They're waiting. Go on. Go to bed. Chubby's gone. Woo, I almost dropped the camera. Oakley's like, wait, what's going on? What are we doing? Go to bed. No cheating. No cheating. Get your feet over the line. Over the line? Alright, well, Shelby is first. Oh, Shelby, I broke yours. Shelby's like, oh, I would take the other piece. And you get one of these, and you get one of these, because Shelby's picky and she don't like those. Right? Alright, you guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends to help us grow the audience. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Girls, bed is that way. We have to go to bed. You're going the wrong way. Oh, I guess I forgot to shut the lights off. Okay. Good night, audience.
Thanks for liking and subscribing to Snow Dogs Vlogs.